What's good, guys? Welcome to the video. This is episode 1 of a banger series that I'm making for you guys. I'm going to be turning $100 to $10,000. Now, obviously, this is going to take a while. This is going to take multiple episodes, but the plan is to record every single trade that I take live and every couple weeks or so, put it together in a video and give it to you guys. This is solely for your entertainment. I'm taking risk management and I'm throwing it out the window because I'm full margining this account. I'm taking big lot sizes on a $100 account to try to flip this account to 1,000 and then 10,000 as quick as possible. I have some amazing trades in this video that I'm going to be breaking down on my computer, showing you guys exactly why I took the trade so that you guys can get some value out of this video and learn something new. But this video is for your entertainment and it's going to be fun to watch. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the series and to learn Forex for free. I post free educational content and I don't charge you guys a dime. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And lastly, join my free Telegram. The link is in the description. One of the trades that I'm going to show you in this video, I actually sent in the Telegram and it ended up being a 65 pip win for us. Damn! And the trade actually ended up going up to 120 pips, but my second take profit was set to 65 pips and we smashed it. So go ahead and join the free Telegram, and without further ado, let's get started with the video. All right, so the plan was to record every single trade I took live, but these first couple of weeks, I actually screen recorded all of my trades and the video had no sound. My mic was muted the whole time. So all the videos I took were pretty much useless. So it's kind of a bummer, but I'll make sure to have it set up correctly for episode 2 of this series. So just for this video, I'm going to be breaking down on the charts 3 of the biggest wins that I had on this account. So as you can see by the screenshot, I deposited $100 into the account. It's obviously a live account. You can't deposit 101 point something on a demo account. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna actually go through my entire trading log and show you guys how I kept my losses small and my winners big, and just show you all of the trades that I took, because there's a lot of little ones in between these big ones. But I really wanted to break down these big trades on the chart so that you guys can learn from this and kind of see how I flipped this account. So this first trade was actually the first kind of big win on the account. Basically, price came into this little range here. We had resistance formed and we also have the support formed. And so I was thinking to myself, okay, we have clean traffic down here to the left. So if price comes down and closes below this support, I'll take sells, targeting this next level of support down here. And if price came up and closed above this resistance, then I'll take buys and target this level of resistance right here. And that's exactly what I did. I didn't try to predict the market. I simply reacted to the market, right? I let the market decide whether I buy or sell. And that's a huge tip for beginners to learn. So anyway, this is on the 30-minute chart. This candle, as you can see, closed above all of these candles here, making this resistance invalid. So what I did is I waited for the next candle to come down, create a bottom wick, and then break the high of this previous candle, right? This is my entry. I'm going to show a screenshot right now showing you that I entered at this point, right, and exited at this point. But I targeted this next level of resistance, and this was a nice 22 pip trade, and it was a good win for the account. So this was a little bit more of an advanced trade. It wasn't that easy of a setup to see for most people. We had this very extended push up, and then we had a retracement here and created some support, and then we came up and actually we created a lower high. So this is telling me that we could come bearish to test this next level of support again, right, and kind of create this M shape. And that's exactly what happened. So I waited for a nice rejection here. I waited for this candle to close bearish, right? And I waited for the next candle to come and break the low of this candle. And then I targeted this next level of support here. And I'll post a screenshot right now. This was a really good win, a 15 pip win for the account. And of course, I put my stop loss above the current candle. So only an 8 pip stop loss for a 15 pip win. So it's a very good risk to reward ratio. And that's how I keep my losses small and my winners big, right? And I actually moved my stop loss to break even once I reached 10 pips. So at one point, this was a risk-free trade. So let's go look at the third trade, which is a lot clearer. And this is a trade that I actually called out in the Telegram group. I'll post a screenshot right now. I called this out at 8:28 a.m. And let me tell you guys, this was a crazy, crazy move. I mean, this was just a sniper entry, man. So let's zoom out because this was an incredible trade, and I really just want to show you guys the overall picture of what happened here. So let's zoom all the way out. This is the 4-hour chart. I'm so zoomed out that you can't even see the candles right now, but we were very bearish on GJ for a very long time, and we had this massive, massive drop here. But what I noticed is we came to this level of support that was right here, right? That we could see back here, and we came and rejected this support, as you can see here and here. And this is a very, very major support right here. So I knew that this was a good chance that we could have a reversal. So going on to the 1 hour, what I was looking for here is for price to break out of this range. This is a really nasty range. I wanted price to break out. But I got onto the charts around like 7, so it was like right here. So going down to the 30-minute time frame, so we had this level of resistance here, and this 30-minute candle came up and closed above this resistance. And so I entered right away as soon as this closed. I went into a little bit of drawdown, and I knew this was just going to be an explosive move because we were at this major, major level of support, and we broke above this range, this resistance, and we had a lot of clean traffic here for price to come up and correct this move down. So I knew this was going to be a big move. Again, I put it in my Telegram chat, so I called this out live. But yeah, this was my entry. I'll show the screenshot of the actual trade. So I entered at 150.151, and it says I closed at 370, but I actually closed half around 150.300 for 15 pips, and then the other half at 150.400, and it kind of like averaged out the pips and kind of put it together. I don't know how MetaTrader did it, but that's why it says that. I actually closed at 150.4, like my full position. So this was a good 25 pip trade. In my Telegram, I put my TP2 to 151.800. Now, why did I do that? Because we had this level of resistance right here and a lot of clean traffic up until this point. So I thought this would be a great place if you wanted to leave a runner or just hold your full position to here. Obviously, you know, even I got scared and kind of just closed my position at 25 pips profit because that was good enough for me. I didn't want to be too greedy. But the people on my Telegram, some of them held this trade and they were able to secure 65 pips. And as you can see, guys, this trade ended up going 115 pips, which is absolutely insane. And it literally started from my entry. So like I literally sent a sniper entry into the Telegram. And where did I go wrong? I lost a friend. And this was just this actually happened today, this morning. So if you're watching this video, this happened yesterday. But man, this was a crazy, crazy trade. The Telegram ate for absolutely free. So, I mean, just join it. The link is in the description. It's free. Go ahead and join the Telegram.
Do it! Just do it!
But that was a trade. I'm going to put the screenshot one more time. I was able to make $60. And we ended off the first 2 weeks of the challenge with an 80% profit on the account. So we're sitting pretty at $180. So I'm very, very happy with an 80% gain on the account. Now I am going to show you guys my losses and how I kept them small. So without further ado, I'm going to switch to my phone and show you guys the rest of my trades. All right, so what's going on, guys? So as you can see, the balance is at $180, and let's go up to the top. This was the deposit that I put in, 101.62, and of course my first trade was a loss, and it was a relatively small loss, and this was me basically taking a gold trade, and I didn't know that I could only take 0.04s on gold with like $80 in the account, so I had to make do with what I could, and we got some, very small wins on gold. And then I had this nice win here with a 0.04 lot. We ended up getting around 40 pips here on this. Yeah, we ended up getting around 40 pips here on this trade. And then I had my first big loss on GJ, which was about a 12 pip loss with a 0.3 lot size. And then I made up for it with this win with a 0.2 lot size. Now the reason I didn't take a 0.3 lot size on this trade is because my account was just too small after that loss. It was at like $70 or something like that. I don't know what exactly it was at, but it wouldn't let me take a 0.3. So that's why this win kind of just canceled out this loss and didn't really, this should have been a really big win. But here, nice win here, small loss here, small loss, and then we have, big win, big win. So keeping the losses small and the winners really big. And the way you do that is by having a good risk to reward ratio and letting your trades just play out. So as you can see, $93 profit, but with commissions, it ended up being around $80 profit. And these were pretty much all the trades I took. So that's going to wrap up this video. I promise next time I'm going to record my trades live, and I'm going to make sure that my mic is on so that the video is not muted. And I'm actually going to show you guys like entering and exiting the trade, like everything. And I'm also going to come on the chart and break it down. So stay tuned for episode 2 of the series. I can see us hitting $500 very, very soon. And it's just going to be even easier the larger the account is, because I'm going to be able to take some really big lot sizes. But honestly, I'm very, very happy with making $80 on a $100 account. That's actually pretty tough to do with the lot sizes that you're allowed to take on a $100 account. So I'm very, very happy with that. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. It helps the video grow, it helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it a lot. I don't really ask for anything from you guys except for that. I don't sell any signals, I don't sell a course or anything. My Telegram is absolutely free. Make sure you guys go ahead and join it. The link is in the description. Again, I called out a fire 65 pip trade. So go ahead and join and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with this series. This is going to be a banger series, guys. And whether I blow my account or we make it to 10,000, it's going to be entertaining anyway. And you guys are going to learn a lot. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.